midterm assessment man. Customers. So, ang customers dito is table. Nakalagay dito is customer ID. Dito, ililist yung ID. For example, customer ID 1, 2, 3, 4, ganon. And doon nakasunod ang first name. Ang nakarecord lang dito sa database is puro first name lang, then last name, email, and phone number. So, dito po makukulik lahat ng tables ng ID ng mga persons po na maglalagin for the customers. Then, for the orders naman po, dito rin po nakalagay yung example po ng parang customers na nakalagay po dito is each number is meron pong customer ID, order ID, and product ID. Tsaka meron din po dito um, list po ng order date at saka quantity. So, dito naman po yung tables ng mga orders at saka order IDs nila. Then, sa products naman po is the product ID and the product name and the price. So, dito po sa orders, dito pagkata magkaka-relationship po kasi yan na magkakasunod-sunod is yung products po is naka-relationship po sila sa orders and the customers. So, dito po tayo sa relational. Si customers po is naka-relation siya sa orders and product. So, si customer ID, siya po ang key na ginagamit para po sa ating table ng customers, and sa orders po, ang key po natin is order ID, and the product is product ID. So, dun po siya mag-start lagi na magka-count po. Hindi po siya magbe-base po dun sa customer ID o kaya dun sa product name. Lagi po siya nag-start yung counting po sa table ng customer ID. Dun po ang mostly ginagamit ay function po ng database po. So, what is a database and why it is important in managing and organizing data? A database is an organized collection of data that is stored and managed electronically using a database management system. DBMS is allows the users to store, retrieve, update, and manage information efficiently. And database is like digital filing system where data is arranged in a structured way, often in tables, rows, and columns, so that it can be easily searched and managed. For examples, a school database may store student records, grades, and teachers' information. So, what are the different types of database and how do they differ from each other? So, sa relational database, sa RDBMS, description is stores data in tables made up of rows and columns. Each table is related to others using keys like customer ID or product ID. Example, MySQL, Postgres, SQL, Oracle, and SQL Server. Use case banking systems, business applications, and school record systems. Sa key features naman po is use SQL, structured query language for managing data. NoSQL database, and description niya is stores data in non-tabular formats such as documents, key value, pairs, graphs, or wide columns. It is were more flexible than a relational database. Examples, MongoDB, Firebase, um, Cassandra, and Redis. Sa use case niya is social media apps, real-time analytics, and big data systems. Key features is has no fixed schema, meaning data structure can change anytime. Um, Hierarchical database. Organize data in tree-like structure where each record has one parent and many children. Example is IBM Information Management System (IMS). Use cases: file systems, organization charts, and XML data storage. Key feature Key features: fast data retrieval but hard to modify or rearrange. Network database description similar to hierarchical databases but allows many-to-many relationships between records. Example, integrated data stored IDS. Use case telecommunication and complex data modeling. Key features: more flexible than hierarchical database. Cloud database hosted on cloud platforms and accessible via the internet, offers high accessibility and remote access. Amazon RDS, Google Cloud SQL, Microsoft Azure SQL Database, web apps, mobile apps, and online services. Key features is data can be accessed by anywhere, anytime. Object-oriented database description stores data in the form of object like an object-oriented programming OOP. Example is DB4O, Object DB, and use case is software application that is use OOP languages like Java or C++. Key features is supports storing both data and behavior methods or objects. So how does a database management system DBMS help in storing and retrieving data efficiency? Database management systems DBMS helps store, organize, and retrieve data efficiently by providing tools and processes that make data handling faster, safer, and more structured. Structured data storage, a DBM storage in a well-organized structure such as tables, rows, and columns instead of random files. This makes easier to find and manage data. Examples in school database, student names, IDs, and grades are stored in database. So, dito po tayo sa fast data retrieval using queries. The DBMS uses a special language called SQL, Structured Query Language, to quickly search for and retrieve specific information. So, ito yung ginagamit natin sa SEIA tsaka sa paggawa po ng ating website. And indexing for speed, DBMS created indexes which work like a book's table of contents, helping the system find data faster without scanning every row. Example is searching for a customer by their ID becomes almost instant with an index. Data security and access control. DBMS allows user authentication and permissions, ensuring that only authorized users can view or change sensitive data. Example, in a company database, only HR staff can access employee salary details. Then the data integrity and accuracy, the DBMS enforces rules and contracts like no duplicate IDs or age must be positive to keep data accurate and reliable. Backup and recovery. It automatically saves backups and can be restored data if something goes wrong like system crash. This ensures that data is never permanently lost. Multi-user access. Multiple users can use the same database at the same time without interfering with each other work. For example, many cashiers can update the store's sales database simultaneously. So, what are the key components of the database system and what roles do they play? A database system is made up of several key components that work together to store, manage, and retrieve data efficiency. More component has a specific role that helps ensure of the data runs smoothly and securely. So the the description is the actual collection of data stored in a organized way, usually tables, rows, and columns. So the role is it holds all the information the organizations needs, such as customer records, product details, or transaction historical. So example is students table storing names, IDs, and grades. So para siyang example nung customers na nilagay natin sa tables kanina na ginawa nating example. And database management system DBMS description the software that manages the database and handles how data is stored, accessed, and updated. So it allows user and application to interact with the data through queries, reports, and transactions. Example, MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server. Database schema description the structure of blueprint of the database defining how data is organized, tables, columns, data types, and relationships. Role in ensures data consistency and help us user understand how data is related. Example, a schema might define or a relationship between a customer table and orders table. Like ng example na ginawa natin kanina. Then, how are relational database different from NoSQL databases and where are they commonly used? So, relational databases and NoSQL databases are both used to store and manage data, but they differ in structure, flexibility, scalability, and usage cases. Here's a simple explanation. So, simple explanation is relational database RDMS definition. A relational database stores data in tables, rows, and columns. Each table has a specific structure and relationships between tables are created using keys like customers ID and product ID, etc. Like ng example na primary key na sinasabi ko kanina sa unang tables natin. So, examples is MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, Microsoft SQL, and Server. So the key features is uses SQL structured query language to access and manage data, has a fixed schema, predefined structure of tables, supports relationships between data and using foreign keys, ensures data consistency and accuracy through rules and contracts. And the common uses is banking and financial systems, school or hospital management systems, business application with structured data, e-commerce website for storing customer orders, product, etc. NoSQL databases definition: a non-SQL database stores data in non-tabular format instead of tables, uses a structure like documents, key, value pairs, graphs, or wide columns. It is designed for the flexibility and scalability. Examples: MongoDB, Firebase, and Cassandra Redis. Key features of now: fixed schema data structure can change anytime, and handle structured, unstructured, or semi-structured data like JSON. Allows horizontal scaling, meaning you can add more servers easily. Great for large scale or real life data. Common uses is social media applications, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and real time chat apps and messaging platforms, big data analytics, and IoT systems, online games, and mobile applications. So that's it. Thank you.